Good afternoon, students. And today our practical is of corrosive poisons. Today we are going to study something about corrosive poisons. What are corrosive poisons? Corrosive poisons are nothing but those chemicals or substances which, when they come in contact with the body, they burn the part of the body they come in contact with. Some of the poisons, corrosive poisons, are as follows. The first one which we are going to study is hydrochloric acid. Acid, definitely corrosive. It is going to burn the part of the body it is going to come in contact with. Hydrochloric acid is corrosive irritant. It gives rise to intense burning pain, vomiting with blood, excoriation of lips, shreds of mucous membrane fallout. It gives rise to hoarse voice, dysphagia. No staining of the mucous membrane takes place and it gives rise to delirium. So, the fatal dose of hydrochloric acid is 20 to 30 ml, while the fatal period is 24 hours. Now, the line of treatment is demulsions. Which are the demulsions? Mainly in the form of milk, egg white, it can be smashed potato, smashed banana, milk of magnesia, which you have studied in antidotes. Now, whatever pain it gives rise to, it is tried to control with the help of morphine, ice sucking, and cortisone. The medico-legal importance is this particular poisoning can take place accidentally. It is used for vitriolage. It is used for suicidal purposes. What is vitriolage? We all have studied it in the theory lectures that vitriolage is nothing but throwing of acid on on a person out of revenge or with the purpose of bringing about disfigurement of the face and changing the cosmetic value of the person. Okay, out of grudge. The next poison which we are going to study is mercury. This mercury, it is irritant, it is corrosive, at the same time it is also nephrotoxic. The signs and symptoms which it gives rise to are as follows: metallic taste, salivation, choking, dysphagia, corrosion of mucous membrane of the mouth, grayish white patches, bloody stools, oliguria, jaundice, hematuria, albuminuria. It gives rise to fall of blood pressure, spasm, uremia, and coma also. The fatal dose is metallic mercury is not poisonous, but in the strength of 200 to 300 milligram, it is a corrosive sublimate. What is the line of treatment? The line of treatment is emetics or stomach wash with magnesium carbonate or sodium formaldehyde sulfoxylate. 250 ml, 5% and 100 ml is to be left in the stomach for to deal with whatever poison is present in the wall of the stomach. Egg white activated charcoal is given orally. British anti-levisite or bar, it is given 200 milligram twice daily intramuscularly, while sodium thiosulfate it is given intravenously. Again, the medico-legal importance is it can take place accidentally, it is used for abortion, it can be used for suicidal purposes. Acid or corrosive which we are going to study is the nitric acid. It is an corrosive irritant. The signs and symptoms it causes or it gives rise to are the burning pain, thirst, yellowish discoloration of mucous membrane and teeth, yellow-brown vomitus, tender distended abdomen, oliguria, shock, choking, lacrimation, constriction of the chest, and dyspnea. The fatal dose of this particular nitric acid is 15 to 20 ml, while the fatal period is 18 hours. The line of treatment is stomach wash with soft rubber tube, milk, milk of magnesia, egg white, melted butter, ice sucking, and again, the medico-legal importance. It can take place accidentally. It can be used for suicidal purposes. It is used for abortion. And again, vitriolage. What is vitriolage? Throwing of acid on another person out of jealousy or for the purpose of revenge to bring about disfigurement of the face. Next poison, which we are going to study, is this ammonia. It is irritant corrosive. The signs and symptoms are acrid, soapy taste, pain, vomiting, purging, coughing, choking, gelatinous necrotic areas, pulmonary irritation, perforation of the stomach. The fatal dose is 30 ml of 25% concentration, while fatal period is 24. The line of treatment is neutralization by vinegar, milk, egg white, plenty of water, 10 milligram morphine, ice sucking, antibiotics and ice wash. Again, the medico-legal importance is accidental, suicidal and can be used vitriolage. Corrosive is oxalic acid. This oxalic acid it is an corrosive. It can act as a neurotoxic poison. It can act as a nephrotoxic poison. Signs and symptoms are sore taste, burning in the throat and stomach, vomiting of blood and mucus, albuminuria, oxaluria, muscle cramps, coma. The fatal dose of oxalic acid is 15 to 20 grams, while the fatal period is 1 to 2 hours. The line of treatment is chalk, calcium gluconate 10%, ice sucking, oxygen. Medico-legal importance is again accidental, used for suicidal purposes, and the difference in this particular corrosive is it is used to erase ink writing for. Next, corrosive is carbolic acid. Again, carbolic acid, it is corrosive, neurotoxic, nephrotoxic. Signs and symptoms are burning pain, hardening and whitening of mucous membrane, phenolic smell in breath, contracted pupils, carboluria. What is carboluria? Whenever it enters the body, it gets converted into um, um, it converts urine into green color. It gives rise to giddiness, sweating, convulsions and coma. The fatal dose is 20 drops of pure phenol, while the fatal period is 3 to 4 hours. The line of treatment is 60 ml liquid paraffin orally, white of egg, 60 ml of castor oil orally. Medico-legal importance is again it can take place accidentally. It is used for abortion. It is a homicidal poison also. The next corrosive poison is acetic acid. It is an irritant corrosive. The signs and symptoms are intense pain, mucous membranes softened and yellowish white, suffocation, irritable cough, hemoglobinuria. The fatal dose is 60 ml, while the fatal period is up to 48 hours. The line of treatment is stomach wash with milk or lime water, egg white or milk of magnesia orally, 10 milligram morphine intramuscularly, and eye wash. Medico-legal importance is accidental, suicidal. Vinegar is antidote for caustic alcohol. The next corrosive is caustic potash and soda. It is irritant corrosive. The signs and symptoms are acrid soapy taste, burning pain, vomiting and purging with tenesmus. Blood and mucus is seen. Fatal dose is 5 grams. Fatal period is 24 hours and the line of treatment is neutralized by vinegar, demulsions, ice sucking, IV fluids. Medico-legal importance is accidental vitriolage suicide. One more corrosive which we are going to deal with is iodine. It is an irritant corrosive. The signs and symptoms are burning pain, thirst, vomiting, blue stools with blood and smell of iodine, brown staining of mucous membrane of mouth, urine smells of iodine, pain in the frontal region, running nose, bronchial catarrh. Fatal dose is 2 grams of iodine, 10 ml of tincture. Fatal period is 2 hours. The line of treatment is stomach wash with 1% starch solution, 100 ml 5% sodium thiosulfate orally. Medico-legal importance is accidental, idiosyncrasy, suicidal and the next corrosive is manganese. It is corrosive, locally neurotoxic. Signs and symptoms are burning pain in entire gastrointestinal tract, thirst, dysphagia, continuous vomiting, corrosion of mucous membrane of mouth, bronchitis, pneumonia. Liver damage, chronic poisoning resembles Parkinson's. The fatal dose is 10 gram as potassium 10 gram potassium permanganate. Fatal period half hour. The treatment line of treatment is stomach wash with powdered charcoal, milk with egg white, calcium gluconate, BAL, EDTA. Medico-legal importance is active poison. The next common corrosive which we are going to study is sulfuric acid. It is an corrosive irritant. The signs and symptoms are burning pain, thirst, black vomit, dysphagia, chalky white teeth, abdominal pain, coma and death. The fatal dose is 10 to 15 ml. Fatal period is 12 hours and the line of treatment is milk, magnesium oxide, egg white, oxygen, melted butter. Medico-legal importance is accidental, vitriolage, abortifacient and